channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. God bless and be safe, be happy. Thank you. Thank you for being a subscriber. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Hey guys, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and I'm back for more of these Dutch pours I keep trying to do this morning. Started early this morning, and I'm going to add my white. This time I'm using a 10 by 10 panel, so we'll see what happens with that. I don't know what's going to happen with that. We'll find out. So I'm just going to spread it around a little. I don't know if this is just going to be too much paint to blow around, but I am using this time, let me spread that a little bit. This time I'm using the Master's Touch Crimson, and it's also mixed the same way as the other ones with the varnish from Liquitex and the pouring medium from the Liquitex, and with a little bit of distilled water. You can see where I've been working on that. So I'm not sure exactly what colors I'm putting in there yet. I know for sure I'm doing the crimson red and definitely doing the yellow. And I know I probably shouldn't put the purple in there, but I gotta see it with the red. So I'm gonna start right about here with my crimson red from Master's Touch. No silicone in any of these. And now my fingers is just sticking to all its, because of all the varnishes in there. I'm going to put the yellow right here, like that. And come on now, let go of my finger. Oh my goodness, I spilled some violet back here, so I am going to use up that violet that I got. Look at that. My finger won't let go. It's terrible. Okay, now the violet. In the back with the red, right here, I think is what we're going to do. And let me get a little bit more of that red in there so we don't get an interruption with the yellow. Right here. And here. There we go. Just like this. Maybe a little bit more right inside the yellow, I think. And a little bit more back here. I think that'll be pretty mixed in with the purple. Or the violet, I should call it. So I know I'm using the Master's Touch Yellow Medium, the Master's Touch Violet, and the Crimson. Alright, so now I'm just going to put a little bit, maybe a little yellow in the back. Very little, not much, just a little. There we go. I'm going to put some more white in the front, right here. I don't think we're going to need a lot. I don't know, really. Right there. Bring it around. A little on the sides. And right in the back. More in the back, I guess. I know I'm going to have way too much paint. Alright, so here we go. I hope that's enough white paint compared to all the other. Alright, so there goes nothing. Like that. Like that. And then back. Like this. Ooh, they're pretty. Oh yeah, super pretty. I think I'm gonna stop right there. I like that, just the way it is. And let's see. I think what I'll do is actually just tip it a little this way, like that. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna get out my airbrush and just blow lightly. Hopefully I don't make a mess or cause a problem. Just want a little bit coming down here like this. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. That's pretty. Yes, right. Well, maybe third time's a charm. I'm okay with this one better than the other one, or the other two, I should say. Alright, let's see. Right here. I don't know. A little bit too much white there going on. I think I gotta kick up some of that color and bring it up. Like that. Ooh, yeah. I like that. That's pretty. There you go. That's different. Very pretty. Airbrush does make everything look so pretty, doesn't it? Gotta get used to using it more often. I don't use it very often. Alright, just a little bit right here. There. Not sure if I like that spot. Alright. I guess I'm okay with that. Very pretty. Okay. Trying to get some of that yellow to pop out and not get smothered back in there. That's sort of pretty. It's like fire down there. I like that. That's neat. Really cool looking down there. Okay, so there we go. I think we're done. Yep, I think we're done. I'm liking that. That's very pretty. Alright, so that was a quick one. And there you have it. That is my third one and probably my last one today. I'm not sure yet. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a short one. Everybody have a great day. God bless. Be safe and please be happy. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hey everybody. Here's a quick video. I just got done. I blew it out with the airbrush a little bit more. My third one today. And since I love it, I'm probably not going to do any more today. But